Okay, so I wanted to make a video for how to make changes to a repository at home here, assuming you had just made some commits and pushed in class. I had a little hiccup. I didn't get the video recording going before it did this this part on its own. So there's a fetch origin part here normally. And what that means is it's going to go check on the cloud to see if there's any changes. So once you've fetched the origin, which is just, again, checking to see if there's changes, this is saying pull, and it's saying pull, and it's giving me this number 6 because there's 6 commits that have been made since I last looked at this on this computer. So I've got my desktop app open. I made sure that I'm in the right repository. I'm in the right branch. I'm just going to hit pull. And it's important that you don't do this if you've made local changes. So if there's changes on this list, then you have a bigger problem, and you might want to do a save as, or even actually just cut and paste the files out of the folder. But with nothing going on here, I'm going to just hit pull. And that's going to update the files that are on my computer. And I can hit show in Explorer to see those. And this isn't a processing thing, but normally there'd be a PDE file in here someplace. So this is the Discord bot again. And if I want to make changes, then Andy, stop. Sorry, my dog's squeaking his toy. He sounds like a parrot. Stop it. Hey, stop. So, Andy, go away. Go away, you monster. So I can open these files, I can make changes, and then the procedures, thank you. The procedure is exactly the same as what we used in class. So once there are changes, right? Once I've made a change here, I'm going to save it. That's going to make a change appear here. Then I'm going to type in the summary, and I'm going to hit commit, and then I'm going to push it to the origin, right? And that's going to save it to the cloud, and then I can do the same thing when I get to campus again and I want to work on a different computer. I'll do fetch, and it'll think for a second as it goes to the cloud and sees if there's any changes. And if there are changes, there'll be a pull that appears there. And when you do pull, it'll overwrite what's in the repository with the new version. And then you can edit it, and then you can save, commit, push, and then it'll be in the cloud again. Does that make sense? Never mind, it's a video. You can't tell me if it makes sense.